In this video, I'm going to show that the sum of any two even integers is even. So let's get started. I am given any two even integers. So suppose m and n are even integers. They are some arbitrarily chosen even integers, okay? And we must show that m plus n is even. All right. So what we know is that by definition of even, we know that m equals to r and n equals to s. Now, how do I know that? Basically, by definition of even in general, even numbers are 2k, but we have m and n, we have two different numbers, so we cannot just choose 2k for both. So I'm gonna choose r and s. For some integers, let's write for some integers r and s. That is important to mention that r and s are also integers, okay? So then we have m plus n equals 2r plus 2s. How so? By substitution. And then following, so let's go equal sign. So now we're gonna factor out to 2 r plus s, and we're going to write by factoring out 2. Now you have to justify every step in the proof, or as much as possible. So now notice how we have now r plus s. We can label this as a letter k, and then we end up with having 2k as an even integer. So let k equals r plus s. Hence, k is also an integer because sum of two integers is integer. An integer because it is sum of integers. Okay, so now we have thus let's substitute back m plus n equals 2 times k. So we're gonna write not here. So we're gonna write m plus n equals 2k. We're just going to substitute now k for r plus s. If you like, you can mention that also by substitution. Okay, and now therefore m plus n is even by definition of even. All right, or by definition even integers. So I think that covered it all. I start my proof with suppose. I just write what's given, then I'm just gonna write what I must show, then I'm gonna write down what I know about those integers. I'm gonna mention that the letters are integers. I'm justifying what I'm doing here, substituting, and then eventually my excuse me, my conclusion is that m plus n is indeed an even integer. Please let me know if there is anything missing or if I can improve my proof somehow. Thanks.